and welcome to our short video series which covers everything you need to know about LaunchPad Online and how to use it and get the best out of it. So you may be wondering, what is LaunchPad Online? Well, it's your lifelong York St John career service. It is here to support you from your very first week at York St John up until your graduation and beyond. On this site you can access everything from careers events and resources to finding part-time jobs, internships, volunteering, work experience, placements, graduate jobs, appointments and more. So if you're a student looking for a part-time job or work experience, a second year looking for a placement, or a third year or alumni looking for a graduate job, there is something for everyone and you can find it all on LaunchPad Online. To sign up, head over to yorksj.jobteaser.com and click sign up. When you click the link, you are directed to this page, and from here you can sign in, sign up or reset your password. If you do ever need to reset your password, just click the link at the bottom and a space where you can enter your email will appear. Just type your email in and JobTeaser will send a reset password link straight to your mail inbox. Make sure to check your spam and quarantine filters in case it gets caught in those. Once you've clicked sign up, you are taken to this page here, which is asking for basic account information. Then fill in your name, email, password, year of graduation and course. If you have graduated, you can use your personal email. If you use your York St John email, make sure to change it when you do graduate to allow you to have continued alumni access. If you want to change any of this information after setting your account up, you can do so through the settings in your profile after you log in. Once you've put your details in, you are taken to this page which allows you to tailor and personalise your own LaunchPad experience. From the I am looking for menu, you can choose different opportunities that you would like to be notified of, including part-time jobs, internships, placements, graduate jobs and more, covering everything you may need from your journey as a student to a graduate and beyond. The experience level drop-down menu refers to how much you have worked since your degree. 0 to 3 if you're an undergraduate, 4 plus higher if you have graduated. Desired position has a breakdown of all the opportunities that you can get on LaunchPad Online, refined by sector and job title. Feel free to tick the ones most suitable to you to personalise your LaunchPad Online account. Once you have filled all of this in, click register and head over to your emails to verify the confirmation link. Make sure to check your spam and quarantine filters in case the confirmation email has been caught in there. Thank you for listening, and keep an eye out for our other videos covering general support in using LaunchPad Online. You can find us on YouTube at YSJ Launchpad, our LaunchPad blog, Spotify podcast, and our social media channels, which are updated daily with new jobs, opportunities and events. If you have any more questions, please do email us at jobsandops@yorksj.ac.uk.